Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, Shiny Wipes Cleaning Drying Towel Review. So, if you're wondering what this specific towel is, well, the Shiny Wipes are dual fiber microfiber drying towels marketed for bathroom and household cleaning, designed to remove water and prevent limescale buildup on surfaces like shower glass, tiles, mirrors, and fixtures. Now, the XL drying towel here measures around 15.7 by 26.6 inches, around or roughly around 40 by 60 centimeter, and is listed as holding nearly 2 cups of water at once, described as roughly 5 times the absorbency of a standard microfiber cloth. Now, construction is two-sided here. So one side has textured longer fibers designed to pull moisture and dirt from surfaces, while the other side is smoother, tighter weave meant for polish and leaving a streak-free finish. Now, the lineup also includes a medium drying towel, an all-purpose cloth set, a shiny glove for tight spaces like faucets and edges, and adds on like a deep clean brush set and a mop made reusable mop pads sold individually or its bundles. Now, how do you use this? Now, in this case, you want to wipe the towel across the surface being cleaned or dried. Shower enclosures, sinks, taps, tiles, grout, car paint, or even windows. Now, using the absorbent side first, no, keep that in mind. Then the smoother side for the polish finish. After use, wring the towel out well and hang it to dry. Now, care instructions specify machine washing, ideally in the brand's own mesh washing bag, separate from other laundry to reduce lint. No tumble drying, no ironing, and avoid drying on a heater to prevent staining. Now, the maker advises against use on rough or sharp edge surfaces since this can damage the fibers. Now, on the pricing side here, individual towels and cloth set commonly range from around like $19.95 to around $34.95. Now, depending on the size and quantity, with bundle packages combining towels, cloths, and accessories, priced higher but discounted around 29 to 58% compared to buying items separately. Now, generally landing between like $50 to $130 depending on the bundle. Order ships free over $65. Purchase come with a 30-day money-back guarantee according to them. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.